Hello students, now we will see velocity and direction of motion of a projectile after given interval of time from instant of projection. Okay, for this let us understand this. So x and y, this is point of projection, say O. From here the particle is projected with initial velocity u. It is projected making an angle alpha with the horizontal x-axis. After a certain time t, say it is now at point P and it is having velocity v making an angle theta with horizontal x-axis. Okay, now our job is to predict v in terms of u and alpha. Okay, see this. Consider a particle projected from O. So this is O. Let u initial velocity of the projection. Let alpha be the angle of projection. Let particle reach point P after time t seconds. Now let v is equals to velocity of projection or velocity of projectile at this point P. Okay, and theta is angle it makes with the horizontal. Now we have to find vy, velocity in y direction at point P. So vy will be uy minus gt. Vy minus gt, applying this rule, v is equals to u plus at. Minus gt simply because it is traveling in upward direction against the direction of gravity, right? So this was about vy, velocity component at point P in upward direction. So vy is v sine theta. So v sine theta is equals to u sine alpha. Uy is u sine alpha minus gt. Okay, and we turn this as equation 1. Next, horizontal component of velocity at point P. So v cos theta is equals to u cos alpha. We know the horizontal motion is motion with constant acceleration or with uniform velocity. Okay, so u and v both are practically u cos theta, v cos theta is equals to u cos alpha. Okay, so name this as equation number 2. Now squaring, adding 1 and 2, what will happen? So v sine theta, it's v square sine square theta plus v square cos square theta as it is, equals to u square sine square alpha, this, plus g square t square, minus 2 into u sine alpha minus into g into t. Okay, and this u cos alpha, its square as it is. Next, this v square sine square theta plus v square cos square theta, obviously v is taken outside, into bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1. So v square is equals to v square here. Now see what happens to the right side. U square sine square alpha plus g square t square minus 2u sine alpha gt plus u square cos square alpha. So this and this, u square sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, bracket close, plus g square t square as it is, minus 2u sine alpha into g t. Okay, so this again equals to 1. So it is u square plus g square t square minus 2u sine alpha gt. Okay, so v square is equals to u square plus g square t square minus 2u sine alpha into gt. So v we can find out equals to square root of this whole term. Okay, next, the angle made by the projectile velocity v with horizontal direction may be found out by dividing 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2. Okay, so v sine theta upon v cos theta equals to v, it is tan theta equals to u sine theta minus gt. Okay, u sine alpha minus gt, this should be alpha, u sine alpha minus gt upon u cos alpha. It simply means angle theta or tan of theta is equals to vertical velocity after time t seconds divided by horizontal component of initial velocity. See it one more time. Velocity and direction of motion of a particle or projectile after given interval of time from instant of projection.